Welcome, wanderers, to a very special international edition of Roller Coast to Coast. On this episode, I'm checking out Efteling, a fairy tale fantasy land in the Netherlands. The park opened in 1952 and is 3 years older and twice as large as Disneyland in Anaheim, California. Efteling has evolved over the years from a nature park to a full-blown theme park with some impressive thrill rides. However, it still retains its whimsical charm through the unifying designs of Dutch illustrator Anton Pieck. I'll be highlighting two of Efteling's raddest rides, the Swiss Bob and the Python roller coaster. To help me translate the Dutch, I'd like to introduce my friend Jarno.
Hoi, ik ben Jarno uit Groningen. Welkom in Kaatsheuvel, waar de Efteling is. Het leukste pretpark van Nederland.
The Python is a steel, double-loop, corkscrew roller coaster that originally opened in 1981 and was the largest steel roller coaster on the European mainland. However, it was recently completely rebuilt and reopened on March 31st, 2018. Lasting a solid 2 minutes, the Python reaches a height of 95 feet with a 72-foot drop and reaches a maximum speed of 46 miles per hour with 4 inversions. Not too shabby. The garbage cans talk to you.
Papier. Papier.
The Swiss Bob is a steel bobsled-style roller coaster designed to look like it's set in the Swiss Alps. Lasting 2 minutes and 20 seconds, this smooth cruise reaches a height of 65 feet and a maximum speed of 37 miles per hour. A fun fact for my fellow Texans, the original bobsled cars from this ride are currently in use at Six Flags Over Texas in the Lava Bora bobsled. Opened in 2015, the Baron 1898 is a steel dive-style roller coaster that features 2 inversions and a maximum speed of 56 miles per hour. The highlight of this ride is the 123-foot drop at 87 degrees, which is nearly a straight vertical down. Story is actually pretty fun too, but to tell it, I'll need a little help from Jarno. In 1898, the wealthy Baron, Gustav
Hoogmoed.
discovered a gold mine with the help of some special spirits called
Witte wieven.
or white ladies. However, the
Witte wieven.
tells Gustav
Hoogmoed.
that he can't touch the gold, so he hires suckers to mine the gold for him, which is obviously us. The whole thing is terribly cursed and ends with us forfeiting our souls. Typical. Dank u wel, Jarno. Oliebol. Thanks for wandering along with me on this special international edition of Roller Coast to Coast to Efteling in the Netherlands. Catch you on the next sweet ride. Bye!
Doei.